everybody, welcome back for another lesson. We're doing a nun. This was a request, and again I forget who it's requested by because that's how I do it every single time. Good Riddance, Time of Your Life by Green Day. Simple, straightforward strumming song, no melody line to it. Chords D, G, A, and B minor, which we all should know. D, open, open, open. G is 3-1, open. A is 1, open, 1. And B minor is 2-1, open. And that's it. Most important thing on this song is the strumming. Oh, yeah. So you want to hit that root note first. Keeps that throughout the whole song. And then we got verse, chorus, verse, chorus, verse, chorus, verse, chorus, no bridges, no nothing like that, so we're good. Just keeps repeating. So the intro and the part of the first verse is D, G, A, D, G, A. So that's your intro verse. You're going to do the same thing over. And then you switch to a B minor. A, G, D. B minor, A, G, D. So that's your verse, and that just doesn't change throughout the song. Once you get to the chorus, it's B minor, D, B minor, D, B minor, A, D. That's it, that's the whole song. There's solos and stuff, which is just going to be over the intro, instrumental. Is going to be 2 intros, and then the B minor A G D, B minor A G D, and that's it. So you can listen to the song to see where all the parts go. And once you put it all together, the verse, we'll skip the intro, go straight into the verse. Verse sounds like this. Chorus. And that's it. It's probably the shortest lesson I've had in a long time. So that was a request I got a couple weeks ago. Keep your requests coming in because I do... All the requests I get, I put them in a folder, and then I do go through them quite a bit and see what works. So if I haven't done your request yet, it's coming slowly. If it can be done, it's coming. Other than that, practice patience, have fun, and we will see you guys next time.